Alright, what's up? I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this. Just got it in the mail. This is the GeForce GT 1030. This is the overclocked edition from MSI. And this is the Gddr5 version. So let's open it up. This will be pretty simple because there's not much here. So opening it up, we have an instruction manual from MSI. And then we have this in this little cardboard tube here. What this is, let's get it open. So what this is a low profile bracket. What we do is we can pull the full size one off and put this on here. And what this will do is this will allow us to fit this graphics card into small form factor cases, which I'll be using for a project I'm doing. You can actually go see the first part of that project in the top right corner. So this will allow us to fit the graphics card in there. So let's take a look at the graphics card itself. It comes in a nice anti-static bag. Alright, here we go. As you can see, the PCB is half size, not a full-size card, and that allows it to fit into a small form factor case. It's also, as you can tell, single slot. So we won't have any issues there. It's actually got a better cooler on it than a lot of other GT 1030s who they don't even have fans. It's just a passive cooler. You got your little cover for your PCI slot right there. And then on the back here we have an HDMI port and a display port. So you can drive 2 displays with this potentially. So yeah, not too much more to say here. I just wanted to quickly unbox this thing and just take a brief overview of it. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stick around because we're going to be doing the $35 gaming PC part 2, where we put this graphics card in there, and we're going to see if we can play some lower end games on it. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.